Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Dr. Ritu Ahel and I'm back with my weekend webcast. Um, uh, Hope you had a great week. I had one fantastic week and a great vacation. Uh, I had posted some updates on that as well. So, back to work this week. And for those of you who are wondering why I'm not in my scrub suit today, well, I'm working from home today. What does work from home imply for a dentist? I mean, you just can't work without your tools. So, whenever we dentists are working from home, we are usually catching up on academics. So, as you can see here, that's my library at my house, and did a lot of reading today, catching up on my articles, some things that I've missed, and the likewise. So that's what we dentists do when we work from home. Okay, so coming back to my topic, last week we had started about root canal therapies. I told you about what it would be like if you have to undergo a root canal therapy, what you would present with. And one of the main things was that, yes, you could have intense pain, and that's why you could come to a dentist for a root canal. Okay, so now that your dentist has managed your pain and he has scheduled you for a root canal, now what do you expect? The first thing you tell the dentist that, look, doc, do whatever you want, but मुझे दर्द नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should be just painless. So don't worry, guys. We always do a root canal under anesthesia. Uh, Never have I done a root canal treatment without anesthesia. So one little prick and you are done. Now, one small tip, people are really scared of this prick also. So, one little tip from my side is that whenever you're getting anesthesia, just take a deep breath like this. Think about something nice, think about a lovely place that you have visited. Stop thinking about the injection, okay? Stop being thinking that you are being pricked. And you will never even know when the anesthesia has been done. So once the anesthesia has been placed, you have to wait for a little while for it to act. Um, you can tell your dentist whether you still feel a little pain or you feel the anesthesia is less. The dentist can take care of that. But believe me, once the anesthesia is done, uh, you just relax and enjoy the procedure. Okay, all you have to do is open the mouth. Then it's the dentist at work, and relax and enjoy the RCT. Nothing more to do. Another thing I wanted to tell you is that some people are scared, that dentist is going to be putting all his fingers in our mouth, a lot of solutions, and what if I accidentally ingest something I'm not able to control? So don't worry on that too. We dentists normally do a root canal with a rubber dam. Now, a rubber dam is something like a PPE kit for the tooth. So only your tooth is in focus, and the rest of your mouth is away from our reach. So rest assured, you will not ingest anything. No solutions, no instruments go into your stomach. Okay. So the only thing you need to be prepared before a root canal is, one, take the prescribed medication by your dentist. Do not miss on your medications. Secondly, never come to a dentist on an empty stomach. And I've told you the little trick when the dentist is giving you anesthesia, what to do. And the rest is history. You'll never know when a root canal finishes off. Okay, so don't feel scared of root canals. This is generally about root canals, adult root canals. Okay, adult root canals can be done in a single visit, or it can be done in two visits. So when done in two visits, generally the second visit does not require anesthesia. That's because we've taken care of all the tissue and everything that's going to cause you pain. So generally we perform the second visit without anesthesia. Okay, so that's all for now, folks. Enjoy your root canals. Congratulate yourself if your dentist has told you that you require a root canal, because your tooth has been given a second chance to survive. Okay, so don't fear a root canal. Don't fear your dentist. discuss everything with your dentist beforehand. Okay? Wish you safe procedures. Wish you a great weekend. And bye bye. Take care of yourselves.